So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the GV IPC cameras to work with SAVANT when you're pulling the stream into the NVR. So without changing this setting, you're going to have about 4 to 5 second time delay, and it's going to make the image look very choppy. So the first thing you want to do is log into the IPC web interface, and then you'll select Setup. Then you'll click Control Alt Shift and Y, and you'll notice this demo pops up here. You'll go ahead and click on that. You'll click on Smart, and you'll turn off RTP metadata. Once you turn off that setting, it'll instantly start working on the SAVANT app. If the camera does not have this setting, then you're going to continue to have that issue on the SAVANT app. I am currently working with the factory to try to get a work around this, but once we do, I'll update this video.